Here we go. The solution to an equation is a number the variable represents. In an equation, x equals 7, 7 is the solution. It is the only number that can make the sentence true, 7 equals 7. The solution is graphed on a number line by making a small dot on the number 7. And so you have been graphing just the plain old 7 for a long time. But now we're going to be graphing the solution x equals 7, which doesn't change very much. We have a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And especially since you're using graph paper, it would be really good because it's got the lines up and down for you, both directions. And so you'll just graph the dot.
That's it?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
And so it comes a little different when we start doing some decimals, though. And they're going to do theirs up and down. It doesn't really matter. It actually makes it nice for the up and down because negatives go down but
go up.
And it doesn't really matter because we're going to learn eventually that you're going to have two of them where we have negatives down here and positives up here and positives over here and negatives over here in both directions.
Those.
Okay. So if we're going to graph y equals, oh, I see how they're doing it. I want you to notice something really cool. A minute ago, back here, I graphed x equals 7. Okay, and notice it was flat. Okay. The next one they're doing right now is y equals negative 2.25. That's when they set it on its
because it's negative
side, because it's y. Y's are up and down and x's are side to side.
Oh, I knew that.
Yeah, so it says the solution's going to be graphed on a vertical line. Numbers above 0 are positive and numbers below 0 are negative. Like horizontal number lines, vertical lines can be numbers based on the size or range of the numbers being graphed. And notice that all the y's are upright. Let's look at some other pages just to make sure.
So like x.
And x is on the sides, yes. And it looks like all these are y's and they're upright and all the x's are side to side. So they're doing their x's as a horizontal and they're doing their y's as a vertical. Okay?
Gotcha.
All right. So if we're doing this, it looks like right now, 2.25, if we had 0 here, no, bad. We're going to put 0 up here. And we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. These are negative. Okay. So it looks right now they don't have the little intermittent the things in between. And how are we going to know where 0.25 is?
0.25 is going to be kind of towards the top because 50 would be right in the middle.
Very good. 50 is right in the middle. That's 0.5, right? And 0.25 is half of that.
Gotcha.
Okay? And so this will be negative 2.25. Okay? So there will be our dot.
That's not bad at all.
And you don't have to make the mark that I did right there. I just was trying to show you that half and then half of that. Because 0.25 is a quarter. Okay? And so, if you're doing numbers that are very large, they're going to give you the number lines for you already. And so they have y equals 110.
I guess I could just do them in my books, but let's just duplicate.
Yes, and so, yeah. And so, they have up here 0, and they're going to go by 100s. And so 110 is that close to 200 or 100?
100.
Yes.
It's going to be like seriously right above it.
Yes, and if I change colors so it'll be easier to see, it'll be right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
That's not hard at all.
That's not hard. Yeah, you're going to be fine. And we already starting our homework, so there's very little explanation for this.
Yeah.
You're just going to graph it. Y's go vertical and X's go horizontal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Super easy.
Okay.